Imagine a place that changes its attire 4 times a year, each time revealing a unique and magical beauty. Yes, we're talking about our garden. Spring's awakening, summer's bloom, autumn's transformation, winter's slumber. Each season brings its own charm. Let's embark on a journey through time and witness these transformations in our garden. As winter fades, spring breathes new life into the garden. Budding trees unfurl their leaves, flowers burst into bloom, and wildlife returns, filling the air with song. It's as though the garden is waking from a long sleep. Spring turns the garden into a vibrant celebration of life. With the arrival of summer, the garden reaches its peak. Verdant leaves rustle in the warm breeze, while a kaleidoscope of flowers provide a riot of color. Buzzing insects add to the vibrant symphony of life. Summer brings the garden to its zenith, painting a picture of flourishing life. As summer fades, autumn ushers in a season of transformation. The garden dons a vibrant cloak of gold and red, as leaves change color in the crisp fall air. It's a time of preparation, as nature readies itself for the cold winter months. Autumn paints the garden in hues of gold and red, signaling a time of change. As the year draws to a close, winter blankets the garden in a peaceful slumber. Snow-covered plants whisper tales of tranquility while the frost-kissed atmosphere hums a lullaby of rest. The garden, now in repose, dreams of spring's renewal. Winter wraps the garden in a quiet blanket of snow, preparing for the rebirth in spring. Our garden, a magical place that changes with the seasons, offers a unique beauty at every turn. Let's cherish this ever-changing spectacle in our own gardens. If you enjoyed this seasonal garden tour, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tours.